Paul's been a patient in our office for probably a couple of years. Is that right, Paul?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
And he was referred to me by a friend, and he needed an upper denture and a lower denture, and the upper denture was done, and the lower denture is held in, retained with 2 implants. And most people can wear an upper denture, and most people are successful in wearing an upper denture without implants, although it's nice to even have implants in an upper denture. But most people aren't comfortable with their lower denture because their lower denture's affected by their tongue. And when you move your tongue, your lower denture tends to move. So it tends to be unstable unless you have at least 2 implants. And you could put more implants than 2, but most people are comfortable just with 2 implants. So Paul's been gracious enough today to come in and show how its lower denture is retained by these 2 implants. And the implants we have are they're made by a company called Zest, and it's locators, and we'll show how that works. Okay, Paul, I'm going to give you a Kleenex, and you can show how your lower denture is removed.
It's real easy to...
Yeah, they'll just kind of pop. You see how he puts his... And then go ahead and look in his mouth, and we'll show what they're attached to. Can you see that with your camera? Okay. Okay. So there's 2. They look like gold, and they look like little cylinders. I call them trailer hitches. They almost look like a trailer hitch. And in the denture, you'll see there's little gaskets in there, and they're colored. The colored gaskets go into a metal housing, and they make different colors. And if you use like certain colors, like a clear color is more retentive than a pink color, and you're supposed to use the one that works the best for the patient. You're supposed to start out with the weakest one first, and you can always go to a stronger gasket. And these gaskets last anywhere from a year to 2 years. That's what I've found, and they're easily replaced. They take about 10 to 15 minutes for me to replace them. They do wear out over time, but they snap in really well. So go ahead and show how it snaps in. And you can hear like a little, when it's inserted, it kind of clicks in place, and that helps. There still is a little movement with this denture because it still can rock a little bit, but just with 2, it improves his quality of chewing so much better. So Paul's had this. How long have you had this now?
I've had him now probably about 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's definitely worth it.